Marmorino Palladino is a low-sheen, lime-based, medium-grain marble plaster used for creating a variety of stone finishes, from old-world distressed looks to contemporary smooth finishes. Marmorino Palladino Smooth Effect. You will first need to apply the Meoded quartz primer. Watch the primer video for proper application. Let the quartz primer dry for a minimum of 5 hours before adding plaster. Apply the first coat of Marmorino Palladino using a trowel and a stainless steel spatula. Cover the entire surface in a smooth and even fashion while maintaining a wet edge. Work in square yard sections, pulling excess material from one yard to the next. Clean all the extra plaster off with the trowel, creating a thin, even layer. Wait for it to set for 15 to 20 minutes. Use a damp sponge in a circular motion to clean the lines from the trowel, close the small scratches, and create a smooth, even coat. Let the first coat dry completely for a minimum of 12 hours. Apply your slightly thicker second coat of Marmorino Palladino in a smooth, even fashion. Create a nice, even coat that's not too thick or too thin. Clean the excess material with the trowel. When the second coat starts to set, press lightly with the trowel. Keep the layer consistent, but if you want it smoother, press harder as you go. Continue to clean the excess material off of the trowel as you go. Let it dry for a minimum of 12 hours. For smoothing, there are two options, burnishing or sanding. We've chosen sanding to make it extra smooth, eliminating scratches and holes. Sand the surface using 280 to 320 sandpaper grit. You can sand by machine or by hand. Burnishing, which means hard pressing with the trowel, creates more variation or movement on the surface, while sanding keeps the look simple, like one big piece of cut marble. Sanding actually cuts the grain, showing the colors of the grain of the marble. Let the surface dry a minimum of 24 hours before adding sealer or wax. Once you finish the effect, you need to protect the surface from the elements and make it more washable. We recommend using Meoded Hydro Wax, which not only protects the surface but coats it with a low sheen finish, adding a richer effect to your marble look. Apply with a sponge, wait 5 minutes, and then buff the wax by hand or using a machine. If you like the look as is and just want to protect it and make it more washable, add a clear Meoded sealer. The Marmorino Palladino Smooth Effect produces a simple and elegant stone marble finish, beautiful for large open surfaces.